Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a bird. So let's get started.
Life cycle of birds. Bird is a warm-blooded, egg-laying, vertebrate animal distinguished by the position of feathers, wings, a beak, and typically by being able to fly. And birds are so beautiful. Now let's learn about life cycle of bird, which includes egg, hatchling, nestling, fledgling, juvenile, subadult, and adult. Now let's learn about these stages. First stage is the egg. A bird called grey partridge is known to lay around 20 eggs. The eggs are brooded. Brooded means to think deeply about something that makes one unhappy, angry, or worried by one of the parent birds for the incipient embryo. Incipient means beginning to happen or develop, and embryo means an unborn or unhatched offspring to form into a chick. A hard and bony structure frames on the baby bird's beak, which is known as the egg tooth. Second stage is the hatching. After the bird has come out of the egg, the newly hatched bird is known as a hatchling. A hatchling is covered in the soft features and can't fly in this stage. At the point when a hatchling is developing and taken care of by its parents inside the nest, it is called to be nestling. Third stage is the nestling. In this stage, the bird attempts to fly and shows certain flight qualities. At the point when a nestling builds up to take its first flight, the bird is known as a fledgling. Fourth stage is the fledgling. In this stage, the bird flies out of the nest but not long distances. Fifth stage is the juvenile. Juvenile means childish or immature. Juvenile birds leave the nest and are free to fly. In this stage, the juvenile bird experiences its first plumage. Plumage means a bird's feathers collectively and looks more like an adult bird. Juvenile birds are unequipped for reproducing in this stage. Sixth stage is the subadult. In this stage, the young birds are still not fully developed as they do not have adult plumage. In this stage, the young birds are not sexually mature as well. Again, this varies depending on the kind of species of birds. Some bird species sexually mature in this stage while some do not. And the seventh and last stage is the adult. The adult bird has conclusive plumage and is explicitly mature. Explicitly means in a clear and detailed manner. In this stage, the bird can mate and perform rearing. Rearing means taking care of a child until they are fully grown. Thank you.
So kids, I hope you understood the concept. Bye bye, take care.